Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cracked Housing Fab. We got the toys out. We can't work on them all the time and not have some fun.
And we're gonna make some mashed potatoes.
All right guys, well we decided to bring the drift trikes out. We're gonna set some lap times, see whose is faster. And we have a spud launcher, but we'll see if we have enough potatoes because Kurt keeps eating all the raw potatoes for some reason.
Yeah, it might not be a good idea, but it's good.
Yeah, so we're gonna, and then we're gonna have a little bit of fun with Not So Simplicity. We know you guys love that, we love it, everybody loves it, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun with that too. As you can see, Kurt's drift sleeves broke. We broke them last time we were playing with these things. I still have mine, but his fell off, but it's still a lot of fun in the wet grass. All right, guys, we're gonna set some lap times with the drift trikes, and we'll see whose is faster.
Well, of course mine's gonna be faster.
So Kurt's got a little bit of an advantage. Like I said before, his drift sleeves broke. We have new ones, we just haven't put them on yet.
All this horsepower, I blew them right off.
That's right. Yeah, his is just a hotter engine than mine. That's
I'm
what
excited. Do you think these will be faster or slower than the quads and the Not So Simplicity?
I mean, I'm gonna say they're gonna be slower, but I'm no expert.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what happens.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go!
Shut her down. Shut her down. I don't know, that victory donut you did over there might be a little premature. I don't know.
Oh, you saw that?
How do you think you did?
I was a little confident. Well, first of all, I don't think these are made for off-road. It was pretty rough, and I was taking chunks of dirt from where I was hitting. I went through the lake or something. I don't know. It was fun. It was fun.
Yeah, it looks like you got a little bit wet.
Yeah. It was.
So you set a time of 41.74.
41,
right
that's
there.
Respectable.
It's not too bad.
We were what, in the 30s on the other stuff?
So let's see, I have the track times here. So, and I'll put these on the screen so you can see them a little better, but Not So Simplicity 31-ish. The Honda 450 four-wheeler is about 25, 26.
So 15 seconds faster than a quad. That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
Slower,
I mean, how far would you say that track is? You say that's what, a quarter mile total length-ish? It's got to be close.
8 to a quarter mile.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
We should clock it.
Yeah.
We should know, yeah, but.
Cool. Well, I guess I'll give it a try and not end up in the lake like you did.
All right, so it's Sean's turn. We'll see how dirty he gets, but what do you think, Sean?
I don't know. Let's see. I have drift sleeves on mine, so I feel like I should get like a 5-second leeway.
5 seconds?
I'm just kidding.
Let's
see what happens. I don't know.
All right.
Maybe I can get around corners faster.
Maybe. Let's see what we got.
my goodness, that is
water's a little
terrible.
up on you, doesn't it? All right, how did it run?
Oh, terrible. Like you said, there's like dirt and mud in your face, and I went through that water puddle over there and got soaked, just like you did. So how did I do?
Well, what did I have?
You were 41.7 something?
41.
41, yeah.
Sean is 45.63.
Well, hey,
I
drift
won.
Sleeves. No, the drift sleeves. Come on.
You did want 5 seconds, which actually puts you really close to what I did.
Fine, you win.
But I think pretty darn close.
No, but seriously, I mean, I don't know. Yours is probably faster, but I just couldn't take off. When I just sat here and spun for like 10 seconds.
I think my launch was pretty good.
Yeah, your launch was definitely good.
So,
all right. Oh, I guess now we just have some fun, right?
yeah, let's do it.
All right, guys, we wanted to show you the water puddle we had to go through on this course. We couldn't avoid it. I even tried to stay close to the edge by the woods there. But here comes Kurt. Was that a proper celebration for you winning?
That was my celebration lap.
I thought you were going around the edge, but you just hit that sucker square on.
As I was coming around the corner, I'm like, let's go for it. That is the nastiest water.
Oh my God.
Oh, my tires are clean.
Yeah, you got a good washing.
Oh.
We do have to say, guys, Go Power Sports hooked us up with all the parts for these. These things are dollar for dollar, pound for pound, the most fun thing that I think we built so far. Obviously, Not So Simplicity is awesome, but these things are just a blast. You can take them out, beat the crap out of them. And Kurt seemed to want to take a second shower for the day. All right, guys. For some reason, we thought it'd be a great idea, like the first 20 minutes we're filming stuff, to ride through a puddle of water.
And just for a little background info, it's about 40 degrees here in Michigan in almost December. And I got wet. And thankful, my dad ran me out some old work pants, so at least my legs are dry. And for some reason, Sean went and got a Not So Simplicity and said, I'm gonna drive through it. So I don't know what you were thinking.
I want to get in on the fun. Is that a problem?
No.
Yeah, I don't know. So
it's chilly, but
yeah, it's a little cold, but I guess
that was fun.
Take a little ride on the drift trikes.
Yeah, let's have some more
Goof
fun.
around. I mean, we've got a little bit of sunlight left.
Now that it gets dark at 4 o'clock for some reason.
Yeah, it's stupid. Well, we're warming up a little bit after we just took a ice cold shower in that water over there. We wanted to show you guys our spud launcher. And Kurt's drift trike's over there. You can barely see it, but it's right there.
Yeah, right where I left it after driving through the lake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, just for the record, I thought Kurt was just gonna go through like the edge. Like there's enough room there kind of by the edge to just sneak by and just make a little splash. But we got to give a shout out to Kurt. He just like freaking full bore, full send right through the middle of it.
That was not planned. About 2 seconds before I said that, why not?
Yeah, I was like Kurt's like, oh, I'm just gonna go and then make a splash, and of course I thought he's like, yeah, just go to the edge, but nope. We're gonna see if he can hit the drift trike from here. Oh,
Right next to it.
Also, really quick before Kurt takes this shot, if you guys want to check out how we came up with this, check out our video. We posted it a few days ago, so you guys can check that out. Oh, let's see. Oh, that one was good. While Kurt's getting this ready, this thing is propane powered. Like I said, you can check that video out to see a little bit more detail of this, but yeah, we're gonna try one more time.
Oh, I think I nicked the tire.
I think they hit the tire that time. We'll call that good, I guess. Now, well, let's instead of trying to break them, let's go ride them. All right, guys, we had a little bit of fun with the drift trikes. I think it's time to take Not So Simplicity for a little rip, even though we already splashed through the puddle. And then it started running rough, so hopefully it wasn't something silly that we messed up. But very smart. Alright guys, man, this thing is a freaking blast. I was just whipping donuts with it. This thing, it rides like a freaking Cadillac. It's shocking, and it didn't feel like I was going to tip over. I know it may look like in the video the tires might have been off the ground a little bit, but dude, this thing is just...
It was sweet.
There's just nothing else out there like this that we can find.
No,
it's just
awesome.
So much fun. Drift trikes, they're a blast. I am so glad that we started this YouTube channel and we get to share this stuff with you guys. Kurt and I have kind of been doing this stuff for years, but now we get to show the world, and it's been a freaking blast. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And what you got to say, Kurt?
Well, I just want to say, if you guys like what we do, please like and subscribe, share it with your friends, check out our Facebook, Instagram. You know, we upload some cool videos over there, so make sure you check it out. And please subscribe, we appreciate it. And thanks for watching Cracked Housing Fab.
We'll see you in the next one.